Welcome back to the Science Experiment Series 3. In this episode, we are still playing with the gradient mesh, but this time we are pushing it further to explore unexpected shapes, abstract form. Let's create together. To start, you'll need an image. You can use any abstract photo or you already have, or you can generate one using Adobe Firefly. That's what I did here. And now we are going to turn it into a gradient mesh. Select your image, go to Object, Create Gradient Mesh. Set the rows to 50 and the columns to 4. This gives us a lot of flexibility with the shape. Click OK, and just like that, you've got a mesh. Now adjust the mesh so it stretches horizontally. Make it long and flat like this. This gives us the base for some cool distortion. Next, press M for the rectangle tool and draw a long rectangle over your mesh. Don't worry about the exact size. We'll tweak it later. So this is important. Make sure the rectangle is on top of your mesh. If it's not on top, the next step won't work. Select both the mesh and the rectangle. Then go to Object, Envelope Distort, and make with top object, and boom, your mesh is now wrapped inside the rectangle. And this is the magic part. The gradient mesh is being controlled by the shape of the white rectangle. Anytime you adjust the anchor points of the rectangle, the gradient mesh inside will adapt, pull, twist, or curve, or even add more anchor points to make it more complex. And just play with the form. Whatever you mind, imagine. The more you play, the more surprising the result. You can use these abstract gradients for backgrounds, poster, album cover, or even motion graphics. So what do you think about this third design experiment? Let me know in the comments, and if you tried your own version, tag me on Instagram or Behance. I'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LADALIDI for more creative experiment like this. And I'll see you in the next LADALIDI video.